I'm going to unbox some Rubik's cubes. Today I'm going to unbox some Rubik's cubes. This one I bought from AliExpress and this one I bought from Lulu. First I'll open the one from AliExpress. First we have two stands. The cubes are wrapped in bubble wrap. So this one is a mirror cube and this one is a Fisher cube. First I will open the mirror cube. You have a booklet and the cube. Next I will open the Fisher cube. So it looks like this. Okay. I'll put them on the stands. Next I will open the one I bought from Lulu. This one is a picture cube. This one works like a normal 3x3 but with different pictures. So these are all the new puzzles. Now I'm going to unbox this package from AliExpress. So we have a stand and the cubes. This is a square one. Here are the instructions. Here is the cube.
These three are our new Rubik's cubes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos. See you next video. Bye!
Bye.